This video demonstrates how to use eTalent Learning to register for workshops and also how to unregister. To register for a workshop that has specific dates and times to choose from, first, choose that workshop from the Learning Library or Learning Calendar. Then, select a time slot near the bottom of the page. All booking information will then appear at the bottom. Choose the date and time you prefer, and click Book. You will then be returned to the Learning Library, and that workshop will now have a booked note at the top left of the workshop icon. Additionally, you'll receive a confirmation email. Note that for workshops that meet synchronously online, such as on Zoom or Google Meet, the join link will be included in the confirmation email sent by eTalent Learning at elgin.edu. To register for a workshop that does not have specific dates or times, first choose that workshop from the Learning Library or Learning Calendar. You can then select Add to Plan and Book to begin at a later time, or you can select Learn Now to begin immediately. To drop a workshop that you've booked to unregister, navigate to your development plan. You can access your development plan by selecting from the About Me tab near the top of the screen. The leftmost tab of your development plan will list in progress and upcoming workshops. To drop a workshop, click the drop-down arrow to the right of the workshop name. Once the full workshop information is displayed, scroll to the bottom of the description and select Remove. A pop-up box will ask that you confirm dropping the workshop. After dropping a workshop, you'll receive an email notification. For additional information on navigating eTalent Learning, take a look at the written instructions and additional videos on the CETL page.